Cassava is the fourth most important staple food in Africa. It is cultivated mainly on a marginal land by smallholder farmers since cassava has one growing season a year. It is estimated that a number of countries lose at least 30% of cassava grown each year to diseases caused by virus and transmitted by small insects called whiteflies. The disease was first reported in 1935 in Tanzania and remained in East Africa until a new outbreak was reported in 2024 in Uganda. The devastating nature of the diseases poses a great threat to food security and livelihood of consumers in Africa since cassava production constitutes a major staple food for Africa. Speaking to Viasat One News in an interview during the 5th African Agriculture Science Week currently ongoing in Accra, the coordinator for Cassava Transformation project under the auspices of the International Institute of Tropical Agriculture, Dr. Richardson Okechukwu, explained that the action plan is aimed at stopping the spread of the cassava viruses across Africa and also to improve the nutritional value for crop for sustainable food security. He noted that failure to act quickly could affect cassava production for both domestic and industrial uses.
Well, we've got a new outbreak in East Africa again, and it's called the Cassava Brown Streak Disease virus. Now, this particular virus not only reduces the yield, but it also destroys the root. So you can't even process it to any crop, to any food. You can't make it to gari, you can't make it to chips, you can't make it to anything. Farms. And farmers just shear sticks from here and there. So it will be very difficult controlling it. And that is why they need to declare war on the cassava viruses. Okay, and we have to do that, and we have to do it collectively. It's not one nation's problem. It's all the nations in West Africa problem to mitigate this problem.
The Executive Director of Development Action Association, Madam Lydia Sasu, urged researchers to closely work with the farmers to maintain some old varieties of cassava in the system alongside the industrial cassava.
The researchers working close with the farmers, because they do that. Normally, they come out with new varieties and others without the knowledge of the consumers or the farmers. So we are asking the researchers to maintain the old cassava and help us so that we can have some of this cassava alongside the industrial cassava.
She called for collaboration among scientists to fight the new virus disease in cassava in West Africa. Noah Nash for Viasat One News.